And voila, purple iPhone 12. And wow, look at this color right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, computers, tech accessories, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, none other than the purple iPhone 12. So for those of you that didn't hear, Apple came out with the iPhone 12, but then in April, they unveiled a brand new color for it, this color right here, purple. So I've been super excited to actually get my hands on this phone right here because I've seen it in Apple stores and it is just such a beautiful purple. I really wanted to just try it for myself. So I'm definitely very excited to get this guy here out of the box and see what it looks like here in the studio. So without further ado, let's get to doing just that. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this phone's box. As you can see on the front of it, we've got a beautiful picture of the purple iPhone 12, as well as this purple wallpaper it's got going on right here, and we can also make out on the sides of the phones more of that gorgeous purple. Over here on the side, we've got iPhone. Yes, it says iPhone, but it's in purple. Over here on the top, Apple logo in purple. Over here, iPhone in purple. And lastly, over here on the bottom, Apple in purple. So I just love all the purple that's going on with this still simple and minimalistic white packaging that is very typical of Apple. So beautiful packaging right here. But anyway, let's just get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So we can just tear this shrink wrap off right here, nice and easily, toss it to the side, and then we can go ahead and pull the top off the box, and voila, purple iPhone 12. And wow, look at this color right here. So it's a very light purple over here on the back, this glass back that allows for not only wireless charging, but also MagSafe, Apple's magnetic accessory technology. Basically, the phone's got magnets built into the back that allows it to connect to various accessories like batteries, cases, chargers, stuff like that. Over here on the side of the phone, we've got a beautiful aluminum side also in purple. And over here, we've got the screen covered with this piece of paper. So we can actually peel this off, and oh wow, that felt luxurious right there. And now we can see the device's screen right here. Now let's talk first impressions of this phone. Obviously that purple is beautiful. Already said that, but I'm also noticing that the screen size does feel a tad smaller than on my own iPhone, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That has a 6.7 inch screen, whereas the iPhone 12 right here has a 6.1 inch screen, so that makes sense. But I will say it's not like this is too small. Yes, it does feel smaller coming from such a huge phone, and I personally prefer the biggest phones, but it's not like this is minuscule right here. So that is definitely good right there. Definitely a decent size right here. And also now if we put this to the side, we can look at what else is in the box right here, and not too much, unfortunately. So we've got a Lightning to USB-C cable right here for charging this phone up. Oh yeah, look at this guy right here. Oh, there it goes. And also under here, we've just got some paperwork and a SIM ejector tool and a beautiful Apple sticker. And that is literally all that is in the box. So we don't have a pair of wired headphones, and more importantly, we don't have a wall plug for charging this up either. We just have this charging cable right here. So that definitely kind of stinks. But now that we've seen what is in the box, let's get this purple iPhone 12 all set up. Okay, so now I got the purple iPhone 12 right here all nice and set up. And I've got to say, this purple live wallpaper I got going on right here looks amazing with that purple rear of the phone as well. This is just 360 degrees of purple, absolutely beautiful. Sadly though, this wallpaper was not automatically on the phone when I set it up. It was just some other wallpaper, so I had to change it to this, but not big deal because this is definitely a full 360 degree beautiful purple experience right here. So now, besides being absolutely dripping in purple, this phone is identical to all the other iPhone 12 color phones that came out before it. So for example, this one right here has 64 gigabytes of storage. Over here on the front, we've already touched on this display. It is 6.1 inches diagonally. It is actually a Super Retina XDR display, meaning it's going to have good HDR. It is also an OLED screen with 460 pixels per inch. Over here on the back of the phone, we do have dual rear cameras, which is very awesome. Both are 12 megapixels. One is an ultra wide lens and the other is a wide angle lens. Basically with that ultra wide, you can fit more people and more stuff into the picture. So that is very good. Over here, this Apple logo, I actually noticed what really sticks out to me about it is silver. So it really sort of makes the phone pop on the back because it's in contrast to the purple. And I think that's a cool addition right there, having such a bright bright silver Apple logo over there on the back. Maybe it can shine in your face a little bit. That's pretty cool. Over here, side of the phone, volume buttons, mute switch, SIM card slot. Over here, lightning port for charging it up. Sadly, iPhone 12s, they do not charge with USB-C. I wish Apple would move the iPhones over to USB-C like on their iPad Pros and iPad Airs and MacBooks, but for now, still lightning. Speakers, over here, power button, and yeah, also on the top of the phone right here, we do have the true depth camera array featuring Face ID. So I really like Face ID, but I do wish Apple would also build a fingerprint into the iPhone. It would be super cool if there was a fingerprint reader underneath the phone screen or even on the power button, preferably underneath the phone screen. But unfortunately for now, the iPhone 12 does only have Face ID right there, but Face ID works really well. I do like it a lot when your face isn't covered, so that is good right there. Now, moving on anyway, on the guts of this phone, on the inside, we do have Apple's very own A14 Bionic chip right there. And if you're wondering, another thing I forgot to mention about the rear camera is, guess what? It is actually capable of recording up to 4K 60 video, which is very good, and also up to 30 frames per second Dolby Vision HDR video, which also is amazing. I love recording HDR video on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yeah, now you know what? To test this phone screen, let's watch one of my very own YouTube videos on it.
Basically, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the top of the line of the new iPhones that you can get right now. Today is actually launch day for this phone, so I do love getting iPhones on launch day, so super duper excited about that.
So there that was on the purple iPhone 12 Super Retina XDR display right there. Another thing I want to test out on this phone is MagSafe. So I'm a huge fan of MagSafe. I'm always using it on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, whether using it to connect my phone to a magnetic wireless charger or using a magnetic clear case. I just love MagSafe. So right here I have my very own Apple MagSafe battery pack for iPhone 12 phones, including this one. So we can just slap it right on right here, and boom, as you can see, it is charging already. And then we can just unlock the phone, and boom, we are charging. So that's pretty cool right there, stuck on magnetically. Now, next up, what I want to do is test out the purple iPhone 12's cameras. So over here, let's take a regular photo with the rear camera, get the Warenotice logo, and there is what that looks like. Now, if we tap that button right there, we can see we get the 0.5 times. We get that ultra wide angle lens to fit more into the shot. So we can take a picture of that, and there is what that looks like. Now, if we want to switch around to the selfie camera, we can take a picture of myself right here. So cheese, and there is what that looks like. Oh yeah, I look very happy with this phone right there. And I mean, yeah, folks. Anyway, with that, that'll do it for this nice, quick, easy unboxing of the beautifully purplicious purple iPhone 12 right here. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this crazy color right here. Do you like it? Do you think it's cool that Apple unveiled a new color, you know, halfway through the phone cycle in April instead of initially launching it? I think it's pretty cool to get a new color like this. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.